Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. As you can see, I have my mom here and we have three little goblins outside right now ready to get this tutorial started. We decided to do one video this season, doing a craft, quick little craft, hopefully.
Hopefully.
If you know some of our other ones, it's taken us longer than we thought. But we decided to jump on the sheet ghost bandwagon that I've been seeing everywhere on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all kinds of places. So we thought we would have some fun with our three little goblins.
We went to Goodwill last week and we bought some plain white sheets, and that's how we're gonna make the ghosts.
Alright, so this should be pretty simple. We'll take you along. But mainly, like Mom said, you're gonna need a sheet, you're gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need a marker. And of course, you're gonna need a little goblin.
Yeah.
So we are gonna go ahead and get started and take you along for the ride. Step one, you're gonna wanna lay out your sheet on the floor as shown. Step two, cut out your square. We have three little goblins. We have an extra small, a small, and probably a medium. So the first one we're gonna try is an extra small. So we're just following the fold lines that are already on. And then we're gonna go get the goblin and see if the sheet will fit. Next, you're gonna want to mark for their little nose. Guys, so that concludes our Halloween spooky video for today with our dogs. They, of course, got treats plenty for their cooperation today in today's video. They're all behind the camera watching us right now, so they are perfectly fine. They love the attention and to dress up, especially Candy. But we had a whole lot of fun dressing them up this year. Definitely try it out with your dogs because they look so cute with the little sheet on them. But definitely had a lot of fun. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. You want to see more of our dogs or more crafting videos.
Happy Halloween.
And happy Halloween. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Oh, they can't eat it with their...
And the last little one.
Best picture.
You say bye. Bye everyone. Happy Halloween.